Yo, what's up traders? It's October 14th, and in this video, I want to show you how to get the best entries in trading Forex. Entries are the name of the game. The longer I've been doing this, the more I realize it's not about the trade, it's not about the time of the day, it's not about the strategy, it's about the entry. Getting the entry, if you can learn to stick your entry and put together the clues in order to make it happen for you, man, it'll save you so much relief, headache, stress, and because you just all together avoid the drawdown. So I'm gonna go ahead, share my screen with you. This is something I teach all my students from my academy, which is showing people from how to trade from beginner, intermediate to advanced, to my accelerator program, which is a funding program. I show people the strategies that I've used to get funded, trade with outside capital, and become a professional. It's an amazing group of traders. I hope that you invest in yourself and become a part of that group in your future. So that being said, let's get right into the good stuff. If you're interested in any of that stuff, click the link below to get started. And so here is a great setup. This is one of the ones that made me think about shooting this video. We have all the pieces of a puzzle here, right? So this is how I like to think of trading and the markets, as like a straight up puzzle. We have euro pound. We have this massive kind of descending triangle or a pennant formation. I think it does look more like a descending triangle to me, but that's all like semantics, you know what I mean? So whatever you want to call it, this is a damn good structure. Okay, so now we have multiple different things going on here. So we have the actual structure itself. So when you're seeing these structures, now we've identified a structure is an advantageous thing that occurs in the market, that's happened before, happens again, will happen in the future, and happens across all different time frames. So this is a great example of one. And these actually, they've been happening a lot in the market, and this is actually one of my favorite type of setups here. This is euro pound. So when I see this setup here, and actually, I got short here, made a decent trade. It actually got stopped out because a lot. Hey, what's up, traders? Hope you like this video. Doing a $100 giveaway for everybody that likes, comments, and is subscribed to our channel. So be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and you'll be entered in the drawing. Enjoy the video. But if you know that, you can really use it to your advantage. So we have this false breakout here, and a good move to the downside, and we've really stationed here on the support right there, right? So you can see how significant this level has been in the past, right? So this is a big level. There's a lot of support here, but it's not just like exact. We can definitely go into the support zone as we've seen today for sure. But once I identify the structure, now I want to use my Fibonacci. So Fibs are one of the greatest tools for entries to exits, to where you can kind of get a gauge with what's going on in a trend. And so here we are, one of the most important ones is 61.8. So we're actually trading a little bit below it here. My entry right now is at 90.20. 90.20, stop loss at 0.90, so 20 pip stop loss, not relatively tight. So now we have our 61.8. So if we get back above this 61.8 level, that's going to be a big signal for me that we're moving higher. So what I like to say is buy dips and sell rallies, right? So if you can just remember one of the most simplest things, but it's easier said than done for sure. Also, I'd like to point out this wick right here. So this shows how significant of a level this is, right? So we have this wick, and we move across, and here we are now. So if we can buy this dip, which I've done here, and then look for these other layers, like now that I have this this triangle mapped out here, I already have my targets, right? So if we get above the 61.8, which is about like right here, we get back above this 90-30 level, then that's going to be, I might even add a position there. But until then, you know, I've decent size here. I'm going to see what happens. We're getting at the end of New York session. So I think this will be a good one, especially going into to London session tonight. Another similar setup here is Aussie New Zealand. So Aussie New Zealand, we had this very similar structure breakout of it, which turned out to be a false breakout, and now we're trading back inside this zone. So today we got some very short-lived big move on NZD/USD, but just like Euro Pound, look at this huge wick here, right? So this is a massive major level for, you know, the big banks and institutions. Look, there's another wick, there's another wick, there's another wick. So, and then we created another one today, and I was lucky enough to snatch a good entry here. So this is my entry. These are my targets, right? So do I think we're gonna go break out of here? I mean, I hope that it turns out to be something like this. And then I can look for a move even, or take profit point even higher. So this is another strategy I teach in my training. You know, this is kind of a fanning trend line that goes across, and how, you know, we can measure what our targets are. But, you know, even in the meantime, check out our Fibonacci's. Let's put together the puzzle. And boom, what do we have here? 61.8. So now it's starting to make sense. We got a clear picture here, and then we can start, you know, really just start to be patient. And once we can see a trade materialize, maybe we break above this kind of resistance / support level, and maybe think about adding to this position, or just getting locked in, getting some good profits, 20, 30 pips into profit, and move our stop loss to entry and make a great trade out of it. So, but what are we looking to do? We're buying the dip, right? So we bought the dip here, and we're gonna look to take profit around, you know, might even try to hold it up to this 38.2. So this looks like a great trade, a great setup. I hope you learned something in this video. And if you'd like to learn more and more depth instruction of these simple methods I use to navigate the markets, I've been doing this for years now, teaching people, mentoring people, done a lot at this point. So if you want me to mentor you and take you to the next level, I can help you get you there if you're willing to put in the work. And that's the big X factor. You got to put in the work, man. Trading is not, you just put a couple trades in and then a Lambo appears in your garage. I wish it was like that. But you know, if you're willing to put in the work, you can, sky's the limit where you can end up in life. I'm a testament to that. I never thought I'd have an office in downtown Nashville. I just moved in here, so it's not much in here, but really all I need is my charts and this nice monitor and stuff. So, you know, I never thought I would get there, and who knows where I'll be in the future, as long as I keep trying to become a better trader every single day. Man, I'm on this journey just like you all. 100%. So if you'd like to take that journey with me, click the link below to get started. And I hope to see you in the VIP group. Peace.